Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Toyota Will-Vi, a car that's making a unique comeback with some bold updates. If you're someone who appreciates a blend of retro design with modern engineering, then this is a car you'll want to know about. So, let's get straight into it. First impressions matter, and the exterior of the 2025 Will-Vi definitely grabs attention. Toyota has kept the iconic boxy silhouette that made the original Will-Vi stand out, but they've sharpened things up for a more modern appeal. You'll notice the sleeker LED headlights up front, integrated neatly into the slightly curved fenders. The front grille has been redesigned too. It's more minimal now, giving off a cleaner, more upscale vibe. Along the sides, the character lines are subtle but give the car just enough muscular definition. Those new 17-inch alloy wheels also add a sportier edge, which is a nice contrast to the car's otherwise retro roots. Moving around to the rear, Toyota has refreshed the taillights with a striking LED signature, and the rear bumper looks more refined, contributing to an overall balanced look. Color options are fun and vibrant this year, with choices like mint green, pastel pink, and classic pearl white, staying true to the Will-Vi's playful personality. Now, stepping inside the cabin, you'll immediately feel the blend of nostalgia and modernity. Toyota has gone for a minimalist interior layout, but without making it feel bare. The dashboard features soft-touch materials and a two-tone design that brightens up the space. Right at the center is a floating 10.25-inch touchscreen, running the latest Toyota infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so staying connected on the go is effortless. The instrument cluster is now fully digital, giving drivers a customizable display that can show everything from navigation to performance stats. One of the highlights of the Will-Vi has always been its roomy interior, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. The seats are upholstered in eco-friendly fabric that feels surprisingly premium, with options for leatherette trims if you want a more upscale touch. Both the front and rear seats offer good headroom and legroom, making this compact car feel larger inside than you'd expect. Storage spaces have been thoughtfully designed, including large door pockets, a center console bin, and even hidden compartments under the rear seats. The trunk offers decent space for daily use, and with the rear seats folded, you can easily haul larger items. When it comes to performance, Toyota has made some meaningful improvements. Under the hood, the 2025 Will-Vi comes with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a CVT, delivering around 120 horsepower. It's not a powerhouse, but it's more than adequate for city driving and occasional highway trips. The ride quality is smooth and comfortable, thanks to a retuned suspension that soaks up bumps better than before. Steering feels light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver through tight urban streets. For those interested in efficiency, Toyota claims an impressive fuel economy of around 18 to 20 kilometers per liter, depending on the driving conditions. There's also talk of a hybrid variant being in the works, which could push those numbers even higher, so keep an eye out for that. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Will-Vi comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a new 360-degree camera system to help with parking. These features make it a reassuring choice for daily drivers and small families alike. Now, let's talk about the price. The new Will-Vi is positioned as an affordable yet stylish option in Toyota's lineup. Prices start at around 1.8 million yen in Japan, which translates roughly to around $13,000 to $14,000 US. Depending on the trim level and optional features, the top spec model can go up to about 2.2 million yen, or around $16,000. For what you get, unique design, modern tech, and solid fuel efficiency, it feels like great value for money. So, there you have it, the 2025 Toyota Will-Vi. It's quirky, practical, and updated in all the right ways. If you're looking for a car that stands out from the sea of generic compact cars, this could be the one for you. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Will-Vi. Would you consider buying one? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.